True's self-cleaning technology is a standard feature in all True hydrocarbon models that eliminates the need for preventative maintenance, reduces energy consumption, and helps maintain the coldest product temperatures. Here's how it works. Upon each compressor startup, the fan spins in reverse to blow off excess dust, dirt, and debris from both the surface and interior of the condensing coil. Other manufacturers have developed self-cleaning devices claiming no maintenance required. These devices only clean the surface, allowing dust, debris, and grease to continue building up inside the coil. True's solution provides a deeper cleaning without additional moving parts. Because it cleans each time the compressor runs, the system is cleaned numerous times throughout the day. A clean condensing coil reduces energy consumption by as much as 20%, helps maintain product temperature, and extends the life of the compressor and fan motor. Introduced in 2002, True's reverse condensing unit technology is time-tested and backed by the industry's most reliable warranty. Self-cleaning technology is one more reason that True is the industry's most trusted refrigeration solution.